Okay, I made it to the cutest little dairy farm store. My favorite thing about this place is it's something I want to do in my future. I want my own cows. I want to make my own, dairy products and stuff. So this farm is really doing it. And I drive about 40 minutes out of my way just to come here to get their milk. Pure milk. I mean, seriously, nothing added to the heavy cream. The heavy cream doesn't have the thickening agents that most all heavy creams in the stores have. I avoid that like it's the plague because it is. And so it's just pure. I mean, look at this freaking chunk of butter. Oh my God. But anyways, they have cottage cheese. They got sour cream. They make it all themselves. So anyways, this place is great. Also, check this out. They make ice cream. So there is some other stuff in their ice cream, but the one I found that didn't have anything in it is their, it's like a vanilla, just a basic vanilla, literally 5 Okay, I found it. Look, that's why it's all freaking gone. Look at this. Look at this. Milk, cream, sugar, whey, vanilla bean extracts. Listen, that is crazy. If you were going to buy ice cream, you want it to only have that many ingredients. I mean, unfortunately, look how many are in the French vanilla. Not a big deal, okay, if you don't really care. If you don't care, then, oh well. But I just personally think all this food... I just personally think all our food does not need all that extra bullshit in it. Definitely gonna need a cart. All right, sour cream. I'm gonna get the big cottage cheese and the heavy whip. Get as much as these as I can. I will take this one since I dropped it. You drop it, you buy it. Damn, how am I supposed to get that? I think I got it. Oh, whoa, who's a genius? I am. Okay, let's look. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, I wonder if y'all can guess how much this is all together.
29.
Okay, look at that, baby. Yeah, this milk's worth it. Look at that shit. Oh my God, I gotta be so careful. Woo! This milk is worth its weight in gold all day.